Providing essential tools to manage your Ewing account is a high priority for us. On EwingIrrigation.com, registered Ewing Credit account customers can use the Account Balance page to view open invoices and balance due now, as well as make payments. After logging into your account, click on the Make a Payment link at the top of the page, or select the Account Balance link from the green My Account drop-down menu. Here you will find some information on your account, including your account number, credit terms, and the balance due now. The drop-down menu above your balance due will display 3 options for selecting the amount that you would like to pay. You can pay the balance due now, pay the total of invoices selected in your list of invoices down below, or you can choose to enter a specified payment amount. If you choose to pay a specified amount, the amount you pay will be applied to the oldest open invoices in your list. Just below your account information, the View Statements drop-down menu will allow you to view and download statements from the past 18 months. There are also a couple of options to help you locate invoices that you would like to pay. If you are looking for specific invoices, you can search by invoice number, date range, PO number, job name, and more using the corresponding fields shown above the list of invoices. Aging filters allow you to only display open invoices for a specific time period based on invoice due date. After searching or applying a filter, you can then select the invoices that you would like to pay from the list by checking the box to the left of each invoice. Regardless of how you choose the amount to pay, your total will update at the bottom of the page. Any discounts you have available will be displayed here as well. Clicking the Make a Payment button will take you to the payment page where you can choose to use a new payment account and save it for future use, or you can select an account from previously saved payment accounts. After selecting an option, click Go. If you've chosen to use a new payment account, enter your account information here, then complete your payment by clicking the Pay Now button. Once the payment has processed, you will receive a confirmation email with receipt of your payment. If you have not yet registered for online access to your Ewing Credit account, you can do so by clicking on the Login Register button at the top right of the Ewing homepage. Next, click the Register button to proceed to the registration form. Once you've submitted the form, you should receive a welcome email within 1 business day with instructions for logging into your account. If you have further questions regarding your account or features of our website, please contact us using the Support button at the bottom right of the page.